Hey everybody, and welcome to the Wolfe Pit. Hey, today we're going to make some hot dog chili. So we're going to start off with 1.5 pounds of 80/20 ground beef. Brown this up. Alright, once our ground beef is browned and we've drained the grease, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 yellow onion that we've minced up pretty fine. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start adding our spices. And we're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, a teaspoon of cumin, a tablespoon of granulated onion, a tablespoon of granulated garlic, a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of oregano, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 6 ounces of beer, a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 14.5 ounce can of diced tomatoes with green chilies. And we'll give this a stir. And what we're going to do is reduce the heat and let it cook for probably about 2 hours over medium-low and let it reduce down till it's nice and thick. Alright, our hot dog chili's been simmering for about 2.5 hours now. As you can tell, it's reduced quite a bit and it's nice and thick. So we're going to go ahead and give it a taste test. Get it ready for our okie dogs later. Alright, so the moment of truth, we're going to go ahead and give this a taste, see how it turned out. See how nice and thick that is? Sweet, tangy, spicy, everything I'm looking for. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you give this hot dog chili a try on your next hot dog. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.